This is our Maritime Pine Bark extract. It's a 1-to-1 extract of the Pinus pinaster tree, which we harvest locally, and we have been doing this for the last 25 years. It's become one of our most popular products actually, because not only is it a local, 100% local product, Australian and handmade, it takes usually about 8 to 10 weeks to actually make this product. So definitely a genuine bespoke style of product and also locally grown, so no chemicals at all, and certainly from a pristine part of the world. We use this product specifically as a super antioxidant, so my personal experience with this product is not only through clients of which I help daily, but also as a personal product. I use it every day. I use it mainly as an super antioxidant. It's anti-aging, it's anti-inflammatory. It helps to nourish your circulatory system, so it will help to improve circulation. Studies done on this particular extract have actually improved cognition by 20% in dementia patients. So there's a lot of studies and science supporting the use of this particular herb, and it's the bioflavonoids which are the active ingredient. So they say. I'm sure there are other components of this particular herb which we don't really know much about, but suffice to say the toxicology studies on this product are extremely safe, which means you can take it at very high dose with zero toxic effect, and we wouldn't expect there to be any, even if you drank a litre of it. So it's actually one of the best herbal products on the market in our opinion. Where would I use this? Long term, I use it as an immune booster, I use it as anti-aging. It forms part of all of our cancer support treatment programs for animals, and as far as nourishment goes, and the effects that it has on the body, I think the main thing I notice with it is just my energy levels are much higher, and of course you can fight off flus that much more speedily. So it's for that reason is enough of a reason to actually take this product. If you have any concerns at all about your health and you'd like to ask us some questions, please make use of our free consultation service. The form's below, or you can call us directly to the office Monday to Friday 9 to 5.